Watch this video and learn how to draw a yummy chili dog. Yum, yum.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. Are you okay today?
Yeah.
Very good.
What we draw today?
What are we going to draw today?
Yeah.
A chili hot dog.
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please.
You like drawing food,
Yeah.
and you love chili hot dogs.
Artie loves.
I know you do.
Are you ready to make some art?
We sure are, Betty. Artie, are you ready to begin? Let's draw this hot dog. Okay, come on. Let's get your paper ready.
Wow, what an awesome day to do some art.
My goodness, yes it is.
Let's start by drawing a wavy line across the middle of the page. That's right, Artie. Very good start. Now, let's draw half a circle on the left side, like a C shape. Now let's draw a smaller C shape on top of that. And then 3 little lines coming out from that. Perhaps we can go and get hot dogs after you finish the drawing, Artie.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, 2 hot dogs coming up. Now let's draw a back to front C on the right side and another little C on top of that. And then don't forget the 3 lines. 1, 2, 3.
Mikey, why do you always wear the same color cap?
'Cause it's glued to my head.
Now let's draw a little curve underneath on the left-hand side. And do the same on the right-hand side, Artie. Just a little curve. That's it. Now, connect the top of those 2 curves with a big smiley-shaped curve. Oh yes, that's perfect. Now let's draw another big smiley-shaped curve all the way across to connect the 2 together. That's great.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvelous, darling.
Now let's draw a sort of cloud shape inside the hot dog. That's the chili. Artie's really enjoying himself.
Art makes me so happy, Mikey.
Me too, Betty.
Now we're going to draw 2 circles on the bun. These are going to be our hot dog's eyes. One on the left first, and then another one on the right. That's it, Artie. Let's do 2 black dots inside the eyes. One on the left, and one on the right. How about 2 little eyebrows?
Isn't this great, Mikey?
Best day of my life.
Another eyebrow on the right. There you go. Now our hot dog can see us. Let's do a big smiley mouth. How about a tongue sticking out, Artie?
Yeah.
Draw a little line in the middle of the tongue. Great job, Artie. Okay, let's have a cartoon break. Artie, let's go and find things that are the shape of a triangle.
Artie loves triangles.
Artie, look, a triangle-shaped road sign.
Triangle road sign.
Artie, there's triangle-shaped cakes in that bakery.
Artie loves triangle cakes.
The sign into the park is a triangle.
Triangle park time.
Pretty flowers in a triangle flower bed.
Triangle flower bed.
That's right.
Artie's cheese is a triangle. Triangle sandwich.
This slide in the playground is a triangle shape.
Triangle slide. Artie find triangles.
Wow, Artie, what a great cartoon break. We learned all about triangles. Should we carry on with the drawing?
Okay.
Now we're going to draw lots of little squares. They're actually the onion pieces in the chili.
Oh.
That's right. Keep drawing the little squares.
Artie's getting hungry.
Me too, Artie. This looks yummy. Why don't you draw some steam coming off the top of the hot dog?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Some nice wavy lines coming from the hot dog going up. This is going to show that our hot dog is hot. Let's do another one in the middle. Fantastic, Artie.
That looks fantastic.
Just marvelous.
Let's do a third wavy line on the right side to show this hot dog is really steaming. Oh, it looks delicious, Artie. You're finished? Are you sure? It's as good as it's gonna get. Well, Artie, it looks fantastic.
That turned out so good.
It's amazing.
It looks so good, Artie. Now it's coloured in. It looks good enough to eat. Should we go downtown and buy a couple of hot dogs? All this art has made me really hungry. Come on, Artie. Let's get ready.
Man, what an amazing job.
Wow, I can't believe it.
Bye-bye, little artists. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.